The word flower refers to the bright, often fragrant part of many plants that produces seeds and attracts pollinators like bees and butterflies. Flowers come in many shapes, colors, and sizes, from tiny wildflowers to large roses, and we use them to decorate, celebrate, and show feelings. On the other hand, flour is a fine powder produced by grinding cereal grains such as wheat, and it is a basic ingredient in baking and cooking. Bread, cakes, cookies, and sauces all often start with flour. Although flour and flour sound almost identical when spoken, they belong to very different categories. One is a living part of a plant and the other is a processed food ingredient. To avoid confusion, remember this simple image. A flower grows on a stem and smells sweet, while flour is white or off-white powder in a bag that you measure and mix. In sentences, she picked a bright red flower for the vase, versus, she sifted the flour before making the cake. Knowing the context, nature versus kitchen, will make it impossible to mix them up.